You look amazing. You look amazing. But everybody, can we do a dance move with Avneet right now? Yes? 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 Do you want to see it? Right? Jay and Isha. Do you also want to get in there? Come on, a little bit, a little bit. Come on, can we have the music again? Ready?
Thank you so much. That was amazing. Thank you so much. That is actually the track of my film that has just come up, so I'm glad that they played it. But yeah, it was fun. Thank you. Thank you so much.
And you were awesome. Look at your energy and vibe. Isn't she amazing, everybody? Yes?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm going to leave three of you to it. We're going to have a very interesting conversation you don't want to miss. So give it up for them one more time, everybody.
Hi, Avneet.
Hi.
It's absolute pleasure to have you here on the Flipkart Glam Up event.
Thanks.
Someone glamorous like you endorsing the event really means a lot to us. Thank you for coming here.
That means a lot. Thank you.
So I've been following you for quite some time and I've seen your journey and Cannes. It is amazing, right? Being the youngest Indian actress to go to Cannes and represent the Indian community, I think it's amazing. How did it feel for you?
First of all, thank you so much for having me here, for inviting me here, and I'm so glad to be part of this forum. It was an amazing journey, it was an amazing experience, it was unreal, and I can just say that it was a dream come true moment for me. And I'm really happy to be here, to be talking with you guys, and yeah, that's it.
And I believe being the youngest Indian actress to be there must have been a lot of pressure. How do you look? How does it feel, right? And everyone's looking at you. So how did you go about so many different looks that you created? What helped you? How did you go about it?
So it was like a collaborative effort of me and my stylist together. We wanted to create something, something different, something unique. Personally, I love experimenting with my looks and my style. I can't do the same thing again and again, like I love experimenting. So I think that was something that we wanted to do, but at the same time, I wanted to keep my personal touch to it as well, where I also feel comfortable in my clothes and I feel like myself. So yeah, and a lot of people were asking me questions after the Cannes that where are these clothes from, what are the brand names, we want to know, we want to buy this jacket that you're wearing, and all of these questions were popping up. Abhi, right now also people are asking me that, so I'm glad that people loved it, I'm really happy about it.
Yeah, that's in fact a great segue to introduce the next feature I want to talk about, which is actually called the looks feature. So very often actually, Avneet, we see our customers on our platform after any big event, maybe it's like a red carpet look from Cannes that they have seen and have been inspired by, and they're like, hey, I really want to recreate that on myself and see how I look, right? But many times they're not able to because they don't know exactly what was the brand, the product that was used, and even if the product is clear, they don't know the specific shade of, let's say, lip gloss or anything that has been used. In our search query logs, we see it a lot, right? After big events, we will see a lot of queries appearing in our search logs that are like, hey, Avneet's red dress look from...
Where is it from?
Right, we are all about creating delightful new experiences to answer the needs of the customers, and we took up the challenge on ourselves, and now we have launched this feature called Looks. So it's about a curated celebrity look where a set of products and brands you can reproduce on yourself with a single click. So you discover a product, for example, on a product page that is part of a curated look. You can not only just try on that particular product on yourself using the camera of the device, using virtual try-on features, but you can also try on an entire look an ensemble of everything that was used to create that look. And we also allow people to customize on top of that. They can say, okay, this looks great, but maybe for my skin tone, I may want to change the shade a little bit. I want to try a slightly different product. So it's not exactly that look, but something else. So, and all of that stuff, right? I mean, beauty is a very inspiration-driven category, right? A lot of people actually get inspired by what others create, and they want to experiment and they want to try something that is authentically their own self, but at the same time inspired by what they see elsewhere, and that's why we launched this feature called Looks. A lot of platforms have a feature where you can try on, for example, a particular product on yourself using the camera, using augmented reality feature. But this enables you to try on an entire ensemble and be able to mix and match and customize and all of that. And I should talk a little bit about like how much effort goes into doing something like this, right? So, for example, recreating the exact shade, for example, a lip gloss. I'm sure just in the color pink, there are probably like 100 named shades that people will know, right? So we work very closely with brands. We get the exact hex color code of the particular shades, calibrate our cataloging monitors so that the exact shade is represented in a realistic color when you see the catalog imagery, and all of that. And that's a small part of what went into building a feature like that. There is a lot of AI features that have also gone into virtual try-on features. You can analyze your skin tone, for example, to get suggestions on the shades that will work best for you, and so many cool features. I hope some of you have been able to try it out in the tech experience zone that we have set up. If not, I would encourage people to go try it out as well.
I think that's insane. I mean, Flipkart's new features are amazing. Like personally, I feel like after hearing this and after trying it, I've tried it before, I've tried the lip shade thing, but after trying these outfits, I feel like I don't need a stylist anymore, yeah? Like, I mean, like I have my stylist right at home 24/7 on my fingertips. Like, okay, I can just like check my phone. Okay, okay, I want to do this. I want to wear this outfit. I want this lip shade, and I want to do this hairstyle, or I want to do something like this. I can create the look on my phone itself. And the fact that it's so accessible, easily accessible for everyone, and everyone can use it, and it's so easy to use. So I feel like, yeah, definitely, like I do not need a stylist anymore thanks to Flipkart.
I think that sounds really fantastic, and I'm sure our users would want to really try on a lot of these features.
Yeah, I can talk about a couple more as well. For example, one of the things we are now deeply investing in is how do you bring the power of videos to a platform much more deeply, right? So because it's an inspirational category, people don't make purchasing decisions by reading lots and lots of text. They don't want to look at catalog specifications to make purchasing decisions, right? So we said that we want to deeply infuse very, very high quality, rich media imagery on the product pages. We want to be able to show full bleed videos, auto playing on product pages, and give realistic rendering of how a particular beauty product looks across different skin tones, different lighting and colors, and so on and so forth. And that is something that we have invested in deeply as well, which we call as videofication of our purchase funnel. Not a very glamorous name, I know, but
But a glamorous feature indeed.
absolutely. Thank you.
So yeah, I just have a few questions. So what about like for people like us, like celebrities or influencers? What if we want to get into this? Like, what do we do?
You're a great question, Amneet. So, I mean, we know that our Gen Z audience especially really craves social interactions, real-time connectivity to the celebrities that they follow, and they really value authenticity, right? If you go and just see a traditional ad that is posted on social media by brands, right? People don't feel that it's very authentic, it doesn't connect with them, it doesn't speak to them, right? So, but if it's a celebrity that they really love and they're following that celebrity influencer, they're much more willing to listen to them, try things out. So that's why one of the things that we have launched, we call it as a Vibes feature. And what Vibes does is create a space on our platform which is entirely driven by influencer content. It's about images, it's about videos. You can get your followers on the platform and be able to introduce new products to them, inspire them with things that you have discovered, hidden gems that you have discovered. That's something that's seeing already a lot of traction from our consumers, and we are very excited to start opening it up to our influencer community as well. The other thing, like if you look at, for example, live shopping, this is something that has taken off in a really big way in so many parts of the world. In India, it's still a very nascent ecosystem. It's like in many other countries, up to 20% of all online commerce in certain categories happens through live commerce. So as the market leaders in India, we want to bring these sort of innovations in country. So we launched a platform called the Lives platform. Earlier we have been using it only for what we call as tentpole events, basically our Big Billion Days and other such really festivals as it were, right? And for example, many of our Big Billion Day price reveal videos, product launch videos get more than 1 million concurrent viewers for some of these videos. Now what we are doing is to get the same Lives platform for day-to-day shopping as well. We are introducing a lot of properties where influencers can engage their audience on a daily basis, introduce new products and do live shopping, and a lot of interactivity built into it and so on and so forth as well. We have even tried, for example, in the past with very innovative new features like allowing the ability for customers to...
Wow, girls, can you listen to this here, please? You have to get on this right now. That's amazing.
I think how it's great, Jay, that now influencers can harness the power of Flipkart, reach out to the customers.
Like a huge platform now, so congratulations to you guys for already being so successful, and I hope that this continues, and I'm a part of your family as well.
Of course. Thank you. Thank you.
All the influencers do check out the Flipkart.
Noise? Yes?
Thank you.
You know, by hearing everything you guys were discussing, I have to say that Flipkart is ready to flip all of you, because the future is absolutely amazing, right? Okay, everybody, thank you again for joining us here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
guys.
and Ishan. Ladies and gentlemen, with this, we have these amazing guys who've entertained you, spoken so much about what's coming up next, and now we'll bid and adios to you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Guys. Thank you. All right, everybody. It keeps getting exciting. Join us again, because we have another celebrity coming up in just about a few minutes. You don't want to miss this one, because celebrity who has won many Filmfare Awards. Yes, she's a star. She's an amazing actress. And
Pleasure to welcome the very ravishing Avneet Kaur on behalf of Flipkart Glam Up 2024. Right from creating waves at the Cannes Film Festival to, of course, where we're looking forward to Love Ki Arranged Marriage. It's always about love with Avneet. बचपन से लेके इतना प्यार उन्होंने here today, and we are truly thankful on behalf of Flipkart Glam Up. But क्या कहना चाहेंगे? You always look naturally glamorous.
Oh my God, thank you. Now that's something that I love, naturally glamorous. I'm really excited to be part of this event because I think we launched something really amazing that's going to change the market, I feel, completely. There's live shopping that's happening. There's live, you can try on clothes, you can try on different products, and it's like, I felt like over there, like I don't need a stylist anymore, because now I can like virtually just try clothes on and just like create a look out of nothing. I mean, that's such an amazing thing, and congratulations to the whole team of Flipkart, because this is huge, and I personally feel that it's going to change the market completely.
Thank you, love. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, थैंक यू।
एंड फ्लिपकार्ट ग्लैम आप फेस्ट के लिए यहाँ पर आप आए हैं, क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
थैंक यू सो मच पहले तो फॉर योर काइंड वर्ड्स एंड बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ टू लॉन्च दिस फीचर विद फ्लिपकार्ट बिकॉज आई थिंक पर्सनली जैसे मैंने बोला भी और मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड थी स्टेज पे क्योंकि एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है, हिंदी में बात करूँ इंग्लिश में?
हिंदी
एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे आप इजीली चीज़ें ट्राई कर सकते हो अगर किसी का मन नहीं है शॉपिंग करने का या डोंट वांट टू गो आउट समवेयर यू कैन जस्ट लाइक स्विच ऑन टू योर फ्लिपकार्ट अकाउंट एंड यू कैन easily try on outfits and create a whole look with your outfits and you can try on makeup, you can try on clothes, shoes, every accessories, everything you can try on. And also the fact that people get so influenced by influencers and celebrities nowadays, so you can actually create if they share the links with you, you can actually create what they are wearing. You can have the same stuff for yourself as well because people love to do that, and that is a huge thing. I feel that's going to change the market completely. Yeah.
Avneet, we just want to know what does it take for you to decide who you are going to collaborate with, because there's a whole business sense to this industry as well. So how
Agreed.
do you take this business decision? Like, who are you collaborating with as an artist? Because you're associating your name and brand.
As an artist, when I'm talking about clothes, or as an actor collaborating with different people, like what do you
As an actor collaborating with these brands like Flipkart and more.
Okay, so I feel it's amazing to be collaborating with Flipkart, especially because they've come up with something completely unique. And I personally, myself, I love experimenting. I'm a person that experiments with my style, my outfits, everything. So I think that's what they have done, and I love people and I appreciate people that do that. So I would love to congratulate the Flipkart family for this, and I would love to be a part of the Flipkart family as long as it is.
As you said about shopping, तो आप जब आप शॉपिंग करने का सोचते हो तो ऐसी कोई 3 चीज़ आप सबसे पहले आपके माइंड में आता है?
जैसे कि हमने स्टेज पे भी बात की कि बेसिक शॉपिंग क्योंकि हर आदमी करता है, हर इंसान को होता है कि कोई बेसिक शॉपिंग करे, तो वो भी आप इधर कर सकते हो इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे, जो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. तो मेरे लिए तो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है बेसिक्स का शॉपिंग करना. जैसे एक मेरे पास अगर एक बेसिक वाइट टी शर्ट है, एक बेसिक रिप्ड जीन्स है और एक बेसिक जैकेट है, तो मैं कुछ भी उसके अराउंड क्रिएट कर सकती हूँ. और अगर और बेसिक वाली चीज़ों के बारे में बात करो तो फिर बहुत ही हो जाती है. पर ये 3 आई थिंक इसके अराउंड आप अपनी एक आउटफिट क्रिएट कर सकते हो.
लास्टली कैंस के बाद हम कौन से ग्लैमरस और पार में देखने वाले हैं अवनीत जी को?
ग्लैम तो कभी ख़त्म नहीं होगा. ग्लैम और ये फैशन तो कभी ख़त्म नहीं होने वाला. आई लव टू स्टाइल माई सेल्फ, आई लव फैशन, आई लव एवरीथिंग अबाउट फैशन. तो अभी तो पहले यही बोलना चाहूँगी कि मेरी एक फिल्म आई है लव की अरेंज मैरिज ZEE5 पे, तो आप प्लीज़ वो देखिए जाके. उसमें बहुत सारे ग्लैमरस लुक्स आपको मिलने वाले हैं.
इवन अवनीत एक और क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहिए, जैसे आपकी मूवी का नाम है लव की अरेंज मैरिज, तो आप सबसे ज़्यादा कौन से मैरिज पे बिलीव करेंगे?
है आपको पता है मैं ये इंटरव्यू कब से दे रही हूँ और यही सवाल मुझे एक हफ्ते से परेशान कर रहा है. सबको मेरी शादी की इतनी क्यों पड़ी है यार? अभी रुक जाओ थोड़ा, अभी टाइम है काफ़ी.
तभी भी होगा तो अरेंज और लव,
यार आई पर्सनली बिलीव इन लव मैरिज, बट अगर पेरेंट्स की ब्लेसिंग्स के साथ एक लव मैरिज हो तो वो अरेंज्ड भी हो जाती है और लव भी हो जाती है. तो ऐसा कुछ हो जाए तो सही है, बढ़िया है. नहीं हो तो फिर रोएंगे बैठ के और क्या.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Very kind of you.
We're done.
With a Flipkart team.